Dzień dobry. Witam do odcinek Dang Easy Kitchen. Dzisiaj jestem w Krakowie, w Polsce. Dzisiaj będę gotować pierogi. Pierogi literally translated means dumplings. The letter I at the end of any word typically means that it's the plural of that word. Although pierog means something very different in slang Polish. Nie mówię po polsku bardzo dobrze, so I'm going to speak English from now on. All you're going to need is pierogi. I bought this from the supermarket. A little bit of bacon, onion, and Maggi. Let's get cracking. That was it. All we did was boil the pierogi, fry it with bacon and onion, and serve it with Maggi. Hope you try it at home. Thanks. Na zdrowie.